Morning, afternoon, evening people. I'm Tony, this is Teddy. We're over the allotment. We're doing a bit of potato experiment today. So what we're going to do, I'm going to plant King Edward seed potatoes against shop bought King Edward potatoes. And we're going to see, when it comes to harvest time, if there's a difference. Now these are farm shop bought King Edward potatoes, 25 kilo sack. And these are King Edward seed potatoes from the garden centre. We're going to plant 6 of each. Let me show you where we're going to plant. Okay, so for this experiment I'm going to use these 2 beds. This bed and that bed. And what you can see in the bottom of those beds is 12-month-old rotted cow manure. So what I'm going to do is put 6 seed potatoes in this bed and 6 shop bought in that bed, top it up with soil, and then end of the season we're going to harvest them. We're going to see, is it worth buying seed potatoes, or should you just chit potatoes bought at the shop. Now these are my 6 seed potatoes, so basically I'm just going to give spacings like this, give plenty of space to grow. Push them down nice and far into that well rotted manure. Over here in this bed, same thing, only this time I shop bought. You can see the size difference between the seed and the shop bought potatoes. So again, push those potatoes in nice and deep. Now we're going to get some soil, cover both beds. Quickly, I did forget to mention, today is the 18th of March. So it looks like 2 wheelbarrows of soil per container, per bed. Okay, so 4 months has passed, 10th of July today, so let me show you these 2 potato beds. Okay, so that is the seed potatoes. This is the shop bought. As you can see, the seed potatoes have died back faster than the shop bought. However, I'm going to call it. We're going to harvest these and we're going to see what the difference is. So the first bed I'm going to harvest then is the seed potato bed. Put them in separate bags and we are going to have a weigh-in. Spuds out already. Fairly decent spuds. Definitely having roast potatoes tonight. Okay, so we're getting some really decent spuds. Okay, so I've gone straight through a spud there, but hey ho, that'll get eaten tonight, won't it? Okay, so that is the harvest from, oh I missed one. That is the harvest from the seed potato bed. So let's move on now to the shop board. So let's take a look. Okay, so we've definitely got spuds, and again I have put my spade through one. Okay, so that first plant, not brilliant. Second plant, again, not brilliant. We're going to be seeing a clear winner. Getting seed potatoes. I must admit that at one point this rhubarb started to cover this bed a little bit and shade it, and then I cut it back, so potentially that other bed has had more sun. Yes, that plant much better. Now I was going to take home a weigh-in, however I don't think there's any point. You can see there's a clear winner there. Seed potato, shop bought potato. So is it worth planting shop bought potatoes? Yeah, it is, isn't it? We're definitely in profit for the 6 potatoes that we planted. However, the seed potatoes definitely did well. I don't know if that bed being where it is has disadvantaged those potatoes. I'm going to run the experiment again next year. But I'm going to save seed potato from seed potato, and I'm going to do shop bought versus seed saved from seed next year. So if you want to see that, hit subscribe. If you want to see the video where I got my super first earlies on the go in January, I'll put it up here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.